Hello, everyone. My name is Dominic Maria. I'm an agent with Porcupine Real Estate, and I am joined here today by Chris Nadeau from Lakeview Mortgage. Hello, Chris.
Hey, how are you doing, Dominic?
Excellent. We're here for another installment of our Financing FAQs series, and today we're going to talk about underwriting. So you've gotten an offer accepted on the house that you're interested in, and we've gone through the appraisal, and now we are in what they call underwriting. So what is underwriting? How does that process work?
So underwriting is the official approval of the loan by a human being, basically.
Okay.
When I do a pre-approval, we collect everyone's information and to verify it, and the application is run through automated underwriting software. And that comes back with saying whether a loan is approved or denied. A physical underwriter does the exact same process, and they just have to verify that the documents provided match up to the formation that those documents have to be in according to the guidelines of the program. And those underwriting findings that come out of the automated underwriting is what the actual underwriter goes off of. So in the initial setup's going to be, we'll be submitting the pay stubs and W-2s and bank statements. We'll also put a copy of the check or the wire transfer for the earnest money funds deposit for the home. And that's the first round of underwriting. There might be a couple other things in there. The underwriter is going to look at that. They're going to say, great, everything's approved. We just need to see X, Y, and Z. And X, Y, and Z are things that generally just aren't available in the beginning. And that's going to be homeowners insurance binder, proving that you have insurance on the property, an updated bank statement to prove that the funds for the deposit came out of the bank account and cleared. And there might be a couple other simple things, but that's really about it for underwriting.
So in that process, what does the buyer generally need to provide? Is it pay stubs and just verification of all the information you provided when you went through the pre-approval?
Exactly. So depending on the time frame, we can use the same information exact same info they provide us, or a little time has passed and we would just need an updated pay stub or updated bank statement. And then after that, when underwriting does the first review of the loan and they come back to us and say that here's the remaining items that are needed, that's when processing will reach out to the buyer and say, can you please send me your most recent bank statement to show that the earnest money funds have come out of your bank account. We need a copy of the homeowner's insurance binder. And if there's any explanation that has to be done on anything else, but that's really about it.
And how long of a process does that usually, I'm sure it varies case by case, but in general?
It's going to vary lender to lender. It can be pretty drawn out. With me, it's quick. Once we submit your file, then usually it's a day or two, we hear back, and then we don't submit the remaining items until we have all of the remaining items. So it's just having the time pass by for the buyer to be able to get those to us. And then we just submit them again, and same thing, it's a day or two for underwriting to give an answer back.
Great. And if anybody wants further explanation on that, how could they get in touch with you?
The best way is my phone number. Please call at 603-582-5626.
Perfect. And you can reach me at porcupinerealestate.com. And feel free to reach out to me that way. And thank you very much. It was a pleasure seeing you again, Chris.
Thanks, you too, Dominic. Have a great day, everyone.